Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to manage items and inventory in Zoho Books. Proper inventory management helps us track stock levels and costs, avoid running out of stock, and keep our financial records accurate. Let's get started. On the Zoho Books dashboard, we go to Items. Here, we manage our items. We see a list of items here. To manage an item, just click this one. Here, we get an overview of the unit, the quantity, and the cost price. Now we can view the transactions. If someone buys an item, we can check the history here for our items. We can also view reports on transactions. To do this, go to Reports and create a custom report. We name it Sales by Item and continue. Here, we see all the information, such as previous sales and the people involved. Just a quick review. If we are okay with these details, click Next and save the custom report. This will include the item names. Next, we are done with the errors. The custom report has been created. Now, let's check our reports. Just go to Reports and then My Reports. Here is our inventory and the items. We can see the item name, the amount sold, the item types, and more. This is for our inventory. We go to the custom report created. That's how we manage items and inventory in Zoho Books. We should regularly review our stock reports and update item details to keep our inventory accurate and organized.